Good morning from Appliance Repair America and the GuildUSA app. Another day, another dollar, man. The first one this morning is with a repeat client. She's also our banker, great lady. And she has an old school top freezer Whirlpool refrigerator, you know, the kind we love to work on, that the compressor isn't even starting. So we're coming prepared with what it says in the GuildUSA app as the #1 symptom, which you all know if you have any experience. Is probably a start relay with its related capacitor and surge protector built into it. So hopefully we can knock that out pretty quick, and then we'll get a little bit of recording on there and show you. You can see here I did a screen recording showing the gig in the app. What do you got to say, Jacob?
This might be one more of a part monkey repair. Might not even pull out the voltmeter to check if it's getting power. It might be faster just to throw in the new part, see if the compressor turns on or not. It's either not getting power or the compressor's bad. So we'll start with the part. I don't even think we'll have to measure.
Part monkeys rule. Get out and get it.
The compressor's cold, so it's probably not getting power, which means the start device is probably not giving it power. If the compressor's locked up, the motor will still be trying to turn. It'll just start generating a bunch of heat.
Okay, so we're going to check that it's receiving power from the board first, right?
I don't know, we may just throw the new part in.
Well, you want to be a full part monkey, or you want to...
Yeah, I think it'd be a lot quicker.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, we have a working fridge. Okay, let's go around front, see if we have cool air. It might take a minute, right?
Well, it's gonna take quite a few minutes in.
All right, so we went right to the start relay device and the capacitor, and we got the compressor kicking right away. We let it run for 15 minutes. There was no heat exchange going on, so you had no heat on the condenser coils and no cold inside on the evaporator. There was getting a little cold in the upper right-hand corner, but not to the rest of the evaporator. So we concluded that they had a leak because the compressor was kicking nice and smooth. Like I said, there was nothing in there to create any pressure at all. Anything to add to that, Jacob?
We tried to call the client beforehand to best serve her. Asked her if she could hear the compressor running. She said she couldn't. It was actually one of the more silent running compressors. Normally you have the little humming noise. It was turning, and it just had nothing to turn or compress on, which might have been why it was so quiet. There's no gas to actually give load to the motor. So bad HVAC system, bad seal system.
Yeah, so we recommended a local guy here that sells some used ones because it is their secondary garage refrigerator, and he's got some good deals on some top freezer Kenmore in there he has. So she's all taken care of, and we're off to the next job.